Come on.
Lily's mom. Lily. We're gonna use this in the court of law. Right here, here it is. James was trying to go. Here it is. Right, he's ready. Got the baby. And here's the court. Look.
Give me my baby.
Look at it. Here it is, Your Honor. This is what we're.
Excuse me.
Yep.
She's still sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give her back.
No, we about to go.
We are, but
Come on, man. Come on.
He told me, give me my baby, I'm leaving.
I know he is.
Yeah.
For old time's sake.
Take her home.
Do you know how long it's been?
Take her home.
No, I'm going the other way.
Come on, please.
Yeah. Here you go.
Bye.
Oh, she said bye. Hey, man, she said bye. She said cool, man. Wait a minute. Hey, man, she said all right. Yep. You know what she said, right? She said cool. She said okay, bye. James, you're gonna waste your time. No one's taking her home. She's gonna cry to come back. She don't care.
Are you guys still here?
Yeah, I'm laughing. Let's go back out here. Let me see what's going on out here. Watch out, Mom.
Here's our house.